Hey guys, Chris Rivers here with Culture Bus. Hope you're doing well today. Today is day 18 of the productivity challenge using Google. I'm pumped to show you this. This is a helpful way to effectively equip people. You want to be productive in life. You want to help people cross the finish line. This is one of the ways that you can do that using Google Docs. So I'm going to show you a way in which I help teams. You're going to kind of go inside with me into the Culture Bus world of how I help teams accomplish their work by using the resources that have already been created. What I've got is I've got a Google Doc here. Now I'm working with a church called Cooper City Church of God. And this is what's called a weekend review. This is something that all of our Connect teams use on Sunday, at least at our Anderson campus. We're slowly moving this as a resource that's going to be on all of our campuses here at Grace Church. And so with other churches, as I implement this, I am going to help the director of their Connect team or guest services team basically utilize this tool. So what I'm going to do to help them realize this is theirs. I made it. I went to our document that we have and I hit file, make a copy, and I made a copy of this thing and added it in their folder. So I've got an entire Google Drive folders. We talked about this in previous videos past, but I have already made this and it's in their folder. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this with the director, but I want to do this in a way that is going to be extremely productive for both of us so that we don't have like multiple documents made. He doesn't have one, I have the other, the mothership. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to give him some direction on how to use this on a weekly basis. So the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to use comments here. So I'm going to hover over this little section right here. You'll notice this box comes up. So at Joseph, which is his name, let's see if he pops up here, Pastor Joseph. The first thing you want to do is change your date for each week. Okay, so that'll be assigned to him. I'll assign that to him. Bam. Now he's got that. He might open this thing up in a minute, but we'll go from there. Okay, the next thing I do at Pastor Joseph, the next, let's just do step 2. Okay, make sure the person who is teaching is on your person who is teaching for the week is here. Okay, so I'm going to add that to him. And then, of course, I'm going to hover over this. I'll say at Pastor, change the brand to match Cooper City Church of God brand. Okay, because I've got this brand, right? So what I'm doing is I'm just going through this sheet to give him direction. This is the template. Okay, so he'll know this is the template because he's going to use it, but he'll make a copy of this over and over again. And then he can just kind of go through the upcoming events, connect team leads, who they are, their phone numbers. He'll change down the bottom, the hub, date, and all that stuff. And so he's got everything he needs. So I have now equipped him. I can close this thing out. And what I've done is been incredibly productive with Pastor Joseph to help him accomplish the work that he needs to do for his Connect teams, campus impact teams, however you want to call it. Which is the way we call it, but it's just a way to work proactively together. So hopefully that helps you see how to use Google Docs, how to use and comment with people, use this pane to the right-hand side. And then when he's done, because it's been assigned to him, he'll change it. If I need to go back here and edit this, or if I need to link to this comment, or I need to do something, I can. But what will happen is once he's finished, it'll go in my email as a finished a task that he had, and I'll know that he's done and he's been equipped to use this resource. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about using Google Docs in this format, copying and creating resources for other people to effectively accomplish something. So hope you have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay,